If you make beats, remix tracks, or flip samples, or want to do some drum replacement, this might completely change your workflow. This plugin instantly separates the kick, snare, hats, and cymbals. It lets you isolate, remove, and rebalance any drum loop on the fly right inside your DAW in real time. So this is Remix Drums by Acon Digital. There's a trial version as well, in a link in the video description below. If you check it out at Plugin Boutique, they offer a free plugin with every purchase as well. This is a real-time drum separation plugin that lets you isolate, remove, boost, or completely reinvent any drum loop on the fly. Let's check it out. So the demo version, which I'm using here, has a dropout sound every now and then, so you might hear that as well. We got our kick, snare, hi-hat, cymbals, toms, and other. We could do panning. We could do sensitivity of these. Let's play some drums in here and see what happens. Now this is just in real time, like I said, on the drum track. Let's check it out. So here we have two beats, and we'll try to mix them together, muting kick drums and snare drums and such from the other one. Here's one of the beats. Then we have this other one. So let's take the first one here, and we'll mute the kick or something. And then we could just blend, make some toppers, just use the kick from one, blend them up and have some fun. Try another one. Acoustic drum kit, add in a different. Maybe we'll take the acoustic drum kit. So you can have hours of fun and messing around with this stuff. Or if you just want to replace a kick or something too, there's little artifacts in some of them, but you could adjust the sensitivity here or use an additional noise gate. And of course, I would want to balance these down after I get something going. Take this one, for example. Maybe you just want the kick drum, bounce that down the audio, and have some fun with it. So let me know what you think. Just a quick demo here today, quick overview, if you will. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.